look at this very, very rare four-wheel drive Pajero Mini. Very rare to find 1996 Pajero in wide body. Also, it's a little bit of a lift up. It's on 16-inch, good-looking rims with the all-terrain tires. Also comes with underguard. And it's a turbo. So look inside. Nice clean trim. Interior, the ceiling very, very clean. It's on Momo steering wheel. Mileage just done over 120,000 Ks. It's a 5-speed manual with low and high range. Comes with air conditioning, power steer, power window. Also comes with leverage. Also comes with factory rims. I think they're only 15-inch or 14. I'm not really sure, but let's see. Can't really see the tire size from here. I'm sorry. It's definitely a 4-seater. Because this is here, I can't fold it up. Oh, this will be inside the vehicle. Comes with a bit of aftermarket big muffler. This, nicely raised. Sway bar at the back. And I'll finish this video by showing you underneath the hood. Usually these plates all crack up and peel. This previous owner has been looking after this car very well. The paint is pretty good. It's a twin cam 20 valve intercooler turbo. And timing belt has been changed at 90 Ks. Battery I was very excited when I spotted this car and I wanted it. Okay then, this will be coming down very soon. Thank you for watching. Signing off. Bye.